Huge numbers of the determinations for the now marked down Nokia 8 and reputed Nokia 9 are comparable. However, the Nokia 9 is believed to be bigger and to highlight a higher screen-to-body proportion. While the 5.3 in Nokia 8 has a 16:9 IPS board, the 5.5 in Nokia 9 could see a 18:9 practically full-screen show, placing it in accordance with the Galaxy S8 and LG G6. The FCC posting affirms that this 5.5-inch show is an OLED board made by LG. It is relied upon to be a Quad HD show with Gorilla Glass 5, however as of late build pictures propose the Nokia 9 will likewise have glass at the back.